Florida just about 2 hours ago. This is a live look at it via our radar. The conditions here in the metro only expected to intensify as the evening progresses. This is a live look at Athens right next to me. A little bit of rain there in the area. Chief Meteorologist Chris Holcomb is in the Storm Tracker Center tracking Fred for us tonight.
And we're already getting some of those bands of rain moving through right now, and we're only going to have more rain that will be pushing our way. You can see the coverage of the showers now. This band came through Atlanta a little bit earlier. It's now pushing up toward the north and west, has some moderate to heavy rain with it there. We're in a little bit of a break here in Atlanta, but more rain is coming in from the south and east of us. You can see some of these heavier showers with some thunder and lightning with that moving up toward the north and to the west. And the reason it's moving into that direction is because it's the flow around Tropical Storm Fred that did make landfall this afternoon around Cape San Blas in Florida. So it's over land right now, but look at that heavy rain here and those storms around Panama City, and that's going to keep moving up toward the north. So here's the latest track we have on Fred. It is inland. It has weakened a little bit, but check this out. As this moves up through Alabama and into Georgia, it could still be a tropical depression when it moves in over Atlanta. We think that is going to be around 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So as the system approaches, it's going to spread more rain our way, the potential for some wind, and also we still have that low severe weather threat. Eventually it will kind of dissipate as it moves up toward the north and to the east. But as we're watching this track moving through our area, here's a look at some of those threats. We have a flash flood watch in effect. We can see between 2 and 5+ inches of rain between now and late tomorrow. And the ground is pretty saturated, so we can see some flash flooding as that rain runs off into some low-lying areas. We have an extension of the wind advisory here. It was just south of I-20. Now this is extending up toward the Athens area, where we can see between 15 and 25-mile-an-hour winds and some gusts up to 40 miles an hour. Even though Atlanta's not in that advisory, I want you to be prepared for some breezy conditions here. We also have a severe weather threat. Tonight we're in that level 1 risk, but tomorrow that goes up to a level 2 risk to the east of us as the system moves up toward the north and to the east. Stay with us. We're going to look at those specific threats for you and have the timing of the system and when it's finally going to get out of here coming up in just a few minutes.
A lot to keep track of, and we know you have us covered, Chris. Thank you.